From the town which was first to bring art to its people, in a public museum and library combined, comes art from the best of the region's creatives, contemporary, modern, art of its time. It's a visual feast. It's a festival open to challenging normal, raising the bar, from paper to pixels, performance to sculpture, from street art graffiti to 3D AR. Since 2011, nurturing talent, providing a platform, shaping careers, creating debate, provoking reaction, dividing opinion, art of our years. From Hill to MacLeod to Jones, the curator, ever evolving, adapting to change. At a time when the world has put a curfew on culture, Warrington brings you art of its age. For the year 2020, we've ripped up the rulebook, stepped forward all art forms, come, take a bow, abstract, aesthetic, dynamic and fluid, vibrant, absorbing, nations for now. From the town which was first to bring art to its people, through public museum and library combined, comes art from the best of the nation's creatives, contemporary, modern, art of its time.